Good morning, one and all. Yesterday we discussed Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so Pythagoras theorem. In any right angle triangle, the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. ಸೊ ಆ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇದು ಪೈಥಾಗೋರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಿಮ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಥಿಯರಮ್ 2.7 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So you know this theorem 2.7. Just I want to discuss. Okay. So this theorem in briefly. If a perpendicular, just observe this sentence. If a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of the right angle of a right triangle to the hypotenuse, then the triangles on both sides of the perpendicular are similar to the whole triangle and to each other. So this is nothing but Pythagoras theorem only. Yesterday we discussed actually Pythagoras theorem, how we solved that Pythagoras theorem, how we proved that Pythagoras theorem. See, if a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of the right angle of a right triangle to the hypotenuse, then the triangles on both sides of the perpendicular are similar to the whole triangle and to each other. So the meaning of this theorem 2.7 is nothing but, just I'll explain this on the board. Okay, so take one right triangle, that is ABC. Triangle ABC. This is triangle ABC, right angled at B. Right angled at B. Okay, from the vertex of this B point, I'll draw perpendicular line to the hypotenuse. So that is D point, no? So yesterday we took the same diagram for the Pythagoras theorem, no? So what is this actually? Theorem 2.7 statement is, now are you observing these two triangles, that is triangle ABD and triangle BDC and big triangle ABC. So what is the meaning is, triangle ABC, big triangle, is similar to triangle ABD. So this one we proved in the Pythagoras theorem part now using AA criteria, angle similarity criteria. So we showed that triangle ABC is similar to triangle ABD. In the same way, triangle ABC is also similar to triangle BDC. Okay, triangle ABC is also similar to triangle BDC. No, this triangle ABC similar to this small triangle. And again, this triangle ABC similar to this triangle ABC. Now, the theorem 2.7 statement is, whatever we are getting after drawing this line construction, so we are observing these two triangles. These two triangles are also similar to each other. So now you just observe. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. In the first part, we showed that triangle ABC is similar to triangle ABD, right? In the second part, that same triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDC. These two triangles are similar to the same triangle ABC. So then can we say that triangle ABD is similar to triangle BDC? Of course, therefore, triangle ABD is similar to triangle BDC. Clear? So this is the meaning of theorem 2.7. So that's why they have given only the statement and they have mentioned that you will prove this one in the Pythagoras theorem part. Okay. So Pythagoras theorem the proof for that. Actually statement ana ee ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಬಹುದು. You can use this concept for some problems. Okay na? ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? So in a triangle, see vertex ಇಂದ 90 degree vertex ಇಂದ ನೀವು hypotenuse ಗೆ draw ಮಾಡೋ line divides the triangle in. See, so you are observing these two triangles, no? This first triangle is similar to the original triangle ABC, and the second triangle is also similar to the original triangle ABC, and these two triangles are also similar to one another. So this triangle ABD is similar to triangle BCD. Is that clear, students? ABD is also similar to BCD. So you can observe triangle ABC is similar to ABD and the same triangle ABC is also similar to BDC. So from that result we can say that ABD also similar to BDC. This is about the theorem 2.7. Is that clear, students? Yes. Mataji Dhruva is waiting in the lobby. Okay. Only 32 today. Very less in strength, no? Where is participants? Yeah. So, got the idea of these statements? Okay. If a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of the right angle of a right triangle to the hypotenuse, then triangles on both sides of the perpendicular are similar to the whole triangle. Whole triangle in the sense big triangle ABC and to each other. The two triangles are also similar to each other. This is the explanation for the theorem 2.7. Okay. Who is waiting? Dhruva is waiting. No one is waiting. No, only 32 students are there. Where are the others? I don't know. Okay, we'll go to the next example problems. Today we'll discuss the example problems and tomorrow we'll start the discussion of exercise problems. Okay. So, you can take your textbook also because if the screen is not visible for you, you just listen to the audio part. Okay. So, just open your textbook because whatever we are discussing here, whatever we are sharing on the screen that is in your textbook only. So, we are discussing the textbook example problems only. Okay. Yes. First example. In the given figure, angle ACB is 90 degree. This one. Angle ACB, this is 90 degree. And CD perpendicular to AB. This is CD perpendicular to AB. Prove that. What we have to prove? BC square divided by AC square, which is equal to BD by AD. Okay, this is to prove part. So, given is ACB 90 degree and this construction, this is CD perpendicular to AB is also given here also 90 degree. So, from this, how can we start? We have to reach this proof, that is BC square by AC square is equal to BD by AD proof we have to reach. Okay. So, for that, like yesterday, so what we did like yesterday also same picture we have now. So, triangle ACD is small triangle, original triangle ABC is similar ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಎ ಕ್ರೈಟೀರಿಯಾ ವೈಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸಿಮಿಲಾರಿಟಿ ನೀವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ACD similar to triangle ABC. So here if a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of the right angle of a right triangle to the hypotenuse, then triangles on both sides of the perpendicular are similar to the whole triangle and to each other. Here they are using theorem 2.7 statement. Yes, no? So, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇಂದ ನೀವು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡೋ ಲೈನ್ ಹೈಪೋಟೆನಸ್ ಗೆ ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಗೆ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದಟ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ACD ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಟು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ABC. So if triangle ACD is similar to triangle ABC, we can write the ratio AC by AB which is equal to AD by AC. I think you are having problems in this, no? So like yesterday you just to draw the separate picture ABC ಮತ್ತೆ ACD ಅನ್ನ separate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಡ್ರಾ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ABC ಮತ್ತೆ ACB. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ C ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆಂಗಲ್ C ACB, right? Now this one is a original triangle. For that ACD in the sense ADC, right angle triangle is DL right angle form ADC, right? Now so this is the two picture, these are the two pictures separate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ this triangle is similar to this triangle. You can prove the similarity also according to AA criteria also. You can prove the similarity of these two triangles. So now ratio is, what happened?
Mataji, Nikhil Agda is waiting in the lobby.
Who is waiting? Okay, now.
Nikhil Agda.
Nikhil Hegde?
Huh.
But here it is not showing. Wait 1 second. Something happened. Oh my god. 1 second, Panaga. Illi participants alli. Yes, we'll continue. See here. What happened to this AC by AB? How AC by AB? 1 second. See, this triangle AC divided by this triangle AB, which is equal to this triangle AD divided by this triangle AC, and this one also. But we are thinking that this is not for our proof necessary illa ankotini. Idu BC by BC nange yako proof ige avashyakate illa anta anista ide. Hagagi so this AC by AB ratio and this AD by AC ratio matra tagondidivi. What you will get in the next step after the cross multiplication? So that is AC square is equal to AB into AD. Have you got this result? Got the idea now? Yes. See here. Next result is this one only. AC into AC is AC square. That is AB into AD. AB into AD. Call this equation as equation number 1. Now, in the next step, triangle BCD. Similarly, triangle BCD, another one pair. So like yesterday same Pythagoras theorem na hege madidvalla hage workout ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ಈ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. So one more triangle is there, no small triangle, that is BCD triangle with the original triangle BAC. So these are also similar now according to 2.7 or AA criteria. Yes, from that we got the result. So if you are not having the idea of this one, draw the separate small picture using pencil, okay, like this. So ಈ ತರ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಿಟ್ರೆ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಹೇಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಈ ಎರಡು ರೇಷಿಯೋ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, BC by AB which is equal to BD by BC. Now BC into BC, BC square, AB into AD is AB into BD is AB into BD. So now equation number 1, equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, you just come to prove part. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಪದೇ ಪದೇ prove ಏನು ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅವಾಗ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. BC square by AC square bekalva nim result. Okay, now here in the LHS part BC square is there, here also BC square AC square is there. BC square by AC. From equation 1 and 2, can we take BC square by AC square? Yes, BC square by AC square is equal to BC square andre enide AB into BD divided by AC square place alli enide AB into AD. Now AB cancel aitu. What is remaining actually? BD by AD. Therefore, the result is BC square by AC square is equal to BD by AD. Very simple. Same to same problem. Ninne ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ Pythagoras theorem, as it is you have to work out that one. But in the last step, after getting equation 1 and 2, so you have to go with the direct proof. BC square by AC square na tagobitre, so nimge bekagiro result BD by AD sikkogtade. This is about the first example problem. Is that clear, students? So this is about the first example problem. Now we'll go to second one. Here, second question. A ladder is placed against a wall, okay, such that its foot is, 1 second students,